What's up, everybody? We're playing Roblox Beeswarm Simulator. Shout out to Basic B31 because he requested us to play Beeswarm Simulator in our next video. So,
Yeah,
shout out to him.
yeah.
So, let's
Now let's get
start
started.
playing. I have to get 16 million pollen with the spark staff.
That's what you get. I only have to get 25 white pollen, 10 million from the pumpkin patch, 5 million pollen from the pineapple patch, 2.5 million from the dandelion, and 1 million from the white flower
You're
field, and
lucky.
collect 2,500 haste tokens.
You're lucky. You don't have you barely have to do anything.
Yeah, that's easy. What do you want me to start first? Do you want me to do
I don't
the
know. Just
pumpkin patch?
do anything. Really.
Uh, and guys, if you want us to make a series 2 of this, we can do that. And basically, whoever you are, thank you for saying you like our contact. Mm, uh,
Content.
con. Yeah, we appreciate that really much. And yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Maybe me and Dylan can friend you on Roblox, Basic B.
Yeah.
Then we could actually play with you. You could actually be in a video one time. So if you want to do that, that would be fine with us. We would love that. Just comment your username, then we could friend you.
Yeah. You know what? I am not using this anymore. Like the spark staff is so bad.
Yeah, guys, remember, never get the spark staff. No one likes it.
And it's actually super bad.
Yeah, I know it costs a lot, but just don't buy it. It's really bad.
And guys, never waste your golden eggs and your diamond eggs, cuz
Yeah,
later in the also never waste your star jelly, cuz later in the game you're going to wish that when you were worse at the game and you got those stuff, you would have saved them.
yeah.
Cuz I made the mistake of using everything.
Always save your diamond eggs. Because if you're a blue hive, you can get the diamond,
Diamond mask.
yeah, diamond mask. And when you save up the, golden eggs, you can get the honey mask,
Yeah.
which is really good.
Yeah, I have it. I had to grind a lot for it.
No flexing, man.
I'm not.
We all know you are.
No, I'm not.
Stop doing that stuff. And Basic B, when you play with us, we could help you in Bee Swarm. Only if you're worse than me.
Yeah. I mean, still, if he's better than you, we can still help him.
Yeah.
Why? Basic B, even if you're better than Lennox, then we'll still help you.
Yeah. And also, guys, if you guys are bad at block shoots, type in your username. We will friend you. Then we will actually help you, and we will give you good fruits. No, well, I wouldn't say good fruits because including kilos, I might get unlucky then get kilos,
Yeah.
which is gonna be sad. And guys, if you guys want us to make a funny reacting channel to funny videos, uh, let us know if you want us to. And so, guys, tomorrow we're going to make a Minecraft series 2.
Yeah, part 2.
Yeah, part 2. Because basically, we appreciate him. He's really nice.
Yeah.
Like, that was the only comment that I like. He's so nice. He's a nice man. I would love to meet him.
Lennox, what's your favorite game on Roblox?
To be honest, it's Piggy. If you guys didn't know.
I mean, that explains your avatar.
Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Some people don't like Piggy and they have the avatar. You can't assume, kids. You can't assume. Never assume. And guys, I am cracked at Piggy.
Yeah, he
You
really
can
is.
give me 2 apple juices and I could still play 24/7. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. It's pretty much. I love apple juice. If you didn't know. So guys, what do you want us to do next? Block shoots or Minecraft Series 2? Please tell us in the comments.
I mean, regardless, we're doing Minecraft series 2.
Well, yeah. No, I'm talking about if we do. You want us to do block shoots tomorrow or after tomorrow?
Oh, yeah.
I think we should do both tomorrow
Yeah, let's do both tomorrow.
because people. I know update 20 of block shoots came out like maybe like I don't know like 5, 3, 4 hours ago.
Like 4 hours ago, yeah.
Yeah. So, Dylan, what are you trying to get? I'm trying to get Crimson B.
I'm trying to get Vector B, which somehow you already have.
Don't ask. I'm definitely not bedouin cringe. I'm definitely not.
Guys, he totally didn't buy this mythic egg with Robux to get it, totally.
I definitely didn't.
Yeah, definitely not.
Dylan, you want me? Should we both do a meteor shower?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Right. Okay.
3, 2, 1,
One.
do it.
You can't. If you
Aw.
If someone already did it, you can't do it again. For it says you can't. Boo.
Ooh.
Boo. Lennox, what's your favorite bee?
Um, I would probably have to say a vicious bee.
Vicious bee?
Yeah, I know it's a basic, but it's a basic pick.
I
But
mean,
I like the gifted ones.
yeah, I have a gifted. I have a gifted one.
Yeah, I think those ones just look cool. I like the color of them.
Meteor showers are so P, dude. Like,
And guys, don't ever think we're gonna ask you to subscribe and like. We never do that. We're never gonna do that. We don't like people that do that.
I mean, we do,
Yeah, we do, but I'm
but
not gonna do
we
it to
don't
you
want to
guys.
do that.
Yeah, cause we're just here for the fun. We're just here
Cause
for the nice comments.
yeah, cause like it's like, cause it's kind of annoying when YouTubers ask you like to subscribe.
Yeah, and plus we're never gonna do sponsors of the videos too, cause
Hmm.
those things are boring.
No, but especially not Raid Shadow Legends.
Oh yeah, Raid Shadow Legends. That always just so annoying when it comes up.
Yeah, because it's the longest sponsor.
Yeah, it's like the longest one. It's gone. Now
Okay.
you can do yours, Dylan.
Yeah. Okay.
I have 59 million pollen now. I used to have 44 mil.
I have 55 mil.
Mm.
Yo, give me these fireflies.
Why are you going for fireflies?
Cause I need to collect 256 of them.
Uh, sounds easy.
Then you do it.
Never mind.
I mean, it probably is easy, but I just don't play this game like every day. I used to play it every day.
Yeah, I'm not a huge grinder. I'm waiting for the update, really.
Yeah.
Only if the update is actually real.
But
I hope it is.
we've been waiting for the coconut belt for 2 years. Like 2 years ago, they said they were gonna add it. They
Yeah,
still
like, where
haven't
is it?
added it. Yeah,
We've been
where is it?
waiting. Like, where is it when we need it?
So Lennox, what vid are we gonna do after this?
Probably tomorrow. Let's do Minecraft first in the morning when we wake up.
Yeah.
Because I really wanted to do that one.
Yeah, but I'm gonna wait for you.
We were working on that one, but suddenly something happened, guys.
Yeah, it didn't work.
Yeah, we were gonna upload it, but something happened.
Yeah.
Alright, the meteor shower's over.
Yeah. So guys, we're gonna be ending it off there. So
Yeah, and if you want a second one, just comment the video.
yeah. So
Now, see you tomorrow.